Well, hey, there you have it, guys. Just a quick way to cover up an old book. I just used shelf paper. I think we got it at Walmart or something, which is kind of cool. You know, I buy these old Bibles at Goodwill, and because I am rough on them, you can see I spill coffee and everything on them. So in and out, different translations, all that stuff, fun stuff. Next, I think maybe we'll try to tab this one. Turn it into something, what I would say, useful for someone again. Anyway, that's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.